Looking for an exceptional deal on a luxury SUV? Check out this one owner, fully loaded 4x4 Denali. With an impressive dealer service history and a clean GA emissions inspection, this vehicle is ready for the road. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles quality plus warranty, and you can even add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. We've taken the guesswork out of your purchase with a recent computer scan. All 8 monitors passed successfully, and there are no trouble codes. It's clean and efficient. Plus, we offer a lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Remember, any price reductions will void the CPO warranty and service plan, so act fast. Make a confident choice. Ask about our recent computer scan, road test results, and the opportunity to upgrade your warranty. Visit us today and drive away with peace of mind. Because as we say, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten.